All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Going Vegan. Today, we are in South Pasadena at Tatsu Ramen. Gonna slurp up some vegan ramen, something I've never done on this show. All the pictures online look super tasty, so let's go get slurping. All right, so we just got our vegan bowl of ramen from Tatsu Ramen here in South Pasadena. And I gotta tell you, it smells unreal. I mean, just a wave of scallion and onion and garlic, and I'm gonna be smelling great after I eat this, but I mean, my God, does it look super tasty. I'm excited because we never have done ramen on this show, so this is a first. I kind of want to taste the broth first because that is, oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Super warming broth, really actually gingery, a nice pepper flavor, but really I think we need to just mix it. I know that terribly ruins everything, but we're just mixing it up. Okay, nice looking noodles, oh, steaming hot, beautiful. Love a noodle that has a good chew, not undercooked. It's just al dente enough. Despite having like the scallion, the crispy onion, and the chopped raw onion, it's not an overwhelmingly powerful onion flavor. It's really nicely balanced actually. Unlike traditional ramen that has like a pork fat based broth, this is actually not overly salty. It's really nicely balanced. Definitely a solid 4 out of 5. All right, guys, we just wrapped up here at Tatsu Ramen in South Pasadena. They were super kind to us and the flavors were on point. Definitely come check them out. They have a lot of different ramen options to choose from. They even have some other stuff. So give them a shot. Come to South Pasadena. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will see you next episode on Going Vegan.